Vamos, Fanny, vale. ¡Woohoo! Volaré.
Up inside my middle cage, always tense and filled with rage. Above the concrete feels bitter. With you I wanna go. Emotionless this city lies. Cold it is, it clouds my eyes. Shades on my day, I live inside this place.
In a city where the misery's abundant, where the pity finds sympathy amongst them, and the well-off feel no empathy, where the foul move and get no penalty, no remedy, a vaccine to numb it out. We cut deep, no vaccine can flush it out. So we run about lost where the streets have no name, cross paths, and when we meet it's flammable like propane. This is where the most is not adequate, where you only go as far as you're imagining, where the road is longer where you're traveling, and what you've given up you'll never get back again. Trapped within the lights of the city where it looks full of life, but inside it's all empty. And from outside it's all tempting, but it's all lies upon entry.
Emotionless this city lies.
¡Oh, qué buena!
Qué buena esa, tío. Es así.
Voy a hacer otra vez. Dios.